Hi and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Supreme Court of Nigeria gave a lot of judgment concerning election, from Imo State election to Bayelsa to Kogi State. But when it comes to Kogi State election, there was election judgment. There was a massive chaos in the court premises immediately after the court gave judgment on the issue. And the issue is that the SDP governorship candidate filed a lawsuit against the APC Kogi State governorship candidate, and he's currently the sitting candidate. But the SDP candidate is filed a lawsuit against him, challenging the election procedures and the outcome of the election. But unfortunately for him, the court upheld the APC candidate, upholding him as the sitting governor, and he should continue to be the sitting governor. But it didn't just end there, because I feel like APC came with a lot of thuggery. Because tell me why the court ruled in your favor and you went ahead, start throwing bottles and harmful objects at Murtala Ajaka, the SDP governorship candidate. I don't know why. Okay, what would you guys have done? Or what would you guys do? Have you doing the judgment is now against the APC governorship candidate? But the judgment was in favor of the APC governorship candidate. He won in court. And still, their talks, the political talks, we are seeing throwing bottles and other harmful things. Take a look at this video. It's so unfortunate what our politics and political structure here in Nigeria has turned into. Moving on, a video online circulating where Ademola Adeleke, the governor, he was seen dancing and praising God on behalf of his colleague Barry Joyen, who was confirmed also by the Supreme Court as the he was upheld the governor of Bayelsa State. Their case is in court challenging his election and his election as the governor of Bayelsa State. But luckily for him, he was affirmed by the Supreme Court as the governor, and he will continuously be the governor of Bayelsa State. Let's take a look at this video where his colleague Ademola Adeleke, his colleague in his political party, PDP, he was singing unto God. That's what I like about that man. Let's take a look at this video. I will lift him higher, Jehovah, we will lift him higher. He has given us victory, we will lift him higher, Jehovah, we will lift him higher. He has given us victory, we will lift him higher, Jehovah, we will lift him higher.
Let me also acknowledge the judiciary today. The judiciary has shown once again that it is the last hope of the people. From the tribunal, like my followers and my supporters will say, the election was 1-0, the tribunal 2-0, the appeal court 3-0, and now finally the Supreme Court 4-0. And my lawyer, Oyetibo, said at the tribunal, they beheaded some of the witnesses, and some of the witnesses fainted, who are coming to tell lies. And so this is the triumph of truth over falsehood, the triumph of truth over evil. And there is hope for democracy in Nigeria. That is what the Supreme Court has given. And so let me call on my fellow Nigerians that there is hope in this country. And the president calls it renewed hope. So let us believe it, that there is hope. No matter the hardship, if the Supreme Court will stand for the truth from the beginning to the end, I believe that there is hope. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Another political judgment that was given by Supreme Court is the judgment on Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma is re-elected as the governor of Imo State. The petition was filed by his opponent, the PDP candidate, Samuel Anyanwu. It was filed against him in court But unfortunately for Samuel Anyang, he lost the case, and the Supreme Court upheld Hope Uzodinma as the sitting governor of Imo State. Appeal to the Supreme Court of Nigeria by Samuel Anyanwu to nullify the re-election of Hope Uzodinma was dismissed in court. So for the Imo State president and Imo State people, Hope Uzodinma is now officially your governor as declared by the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Moving on, let's talk about the Chief Justice of Nigeria. The currently sworn in Chief Justice of Nigeria. A lot of controversies have been surrounding her. I would like to say a lot of allegations have been surrounding her. A lot of rumors have been surrounding her. A lot of proved facts have been surrounding her. A lot of people talked about she being in a criminal entanglement that made her to be banned from US, traveling to US. Yes, she doesn't have any criminal record. She doesn't have any criminal record. What happened is that in 2020, when she gave judgment against the opposition party and gave judgment in favor of Hope Uzodinma, declaring him the winner of Imo State Governor, Justice Kekereekun, the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria, sworn in by Tinubu, and she is not yet the Chief Justice of Nigeria because I heard a lot of people calling her the Chief Justice. She is the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria. She only becomes the Chief Justice of Nigeria when she is approved by the Senate. House of Senate. There are a lot of procedures for crowning someone or swearing someone completely in as the Chief Justice of Nigeria. And one of the procedures is also going through the Senate for approval. So she is currently acting. And she'll be marked as the 23rd Chief Justice of Nigeria and also the second female Chief Justice of Nigeria. There are a lot of controversies surrounding her. Some accusing her of having criminal records and all that. But actually today, she doesn't have any criminal record. The only thing is that during 2022 election between Hope Uzodinma and Imo State, she gave judgment upholding Hope Uzodinma as the governor, the rightful governor of Imo State. And that kind of got the US attention where they tagged her a corrupt judge. And that made her to miss her seminar that she wanted to go in US because the US government banned her from traveling to US due to the corrupt judge being tagged to her name. So that is the bad thing or the evil thing that people have been saying she did that, or the criminal record that people have been claiming that she has that made her not to enter US or made US to ban her from traveling to US. So currently there is no criminal record. This is the story behind her not entering US or US banning her. Thanks for watching. That is it about today legal cases that you need to know. And not just a legal case, but a high profile legal cases that you need to know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video to someone that needs this information, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Judicial oath. I, Kudirat Motomori Olatokunbo Kekereekun, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Chief Justice of Nigeria.